In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Camscanner app from Google Play Store. If you are receiving this error or any other related errors, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, first go to your smartphone and look for this Google Play Store app and open it. You will need to log in with your Gmail email before you can search for your app and install it. However, if you are still unable to do so while logged in, then you want to go to this profile icon on your email, then scroll down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preferences, and if you click on it, now look for this option, app download preference. Here you can see we have quite a number of options such as over any network, over Wi-Fi only, as well as ask me every time. Change this to over any network to ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK, and this will save your changes. Then go back and try to install your app and everything should be okay. However, if you can't still install the app, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. To fix this, we need to access its app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear around here or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, first go to force stop and confirm to stop any background activities on this app. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Once you have cleared your cache data, now you need to restart your smartphone and then go back to your app. And from here, activate search and now search your app. So I'll just search for Camscanner like that and run my search. As you can see, we have our app is here. If I tap on it now, I'll try to install it. Now, as you can see, I'm now able to install my app. However, if you can't still install your app, you might want to check if you have enough space. If you don't have enough space, you'll need to free up space on your smartphone by deleting unwanted or unnecessary apps, as well as images and videos on your smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install Camscanner from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.